I think there's a gap between the IR training and the real world. As early career group, we're trying to close this gap by providing resources. The pilot program, I think it's going to be a great program. We're trying to reach to the early career doctors that doesn't have a lot of access to like the procedures that is not widely performed by a lot of doctors, get a lot of support from different centers. So we're always in contact with different peoples from the society, so we can create a platform for junior IRs like me. The most important thing is to find your niche, and it's not very easy to find it. In the beginning, it's very challenging. You want to prove yourself, you want to show your skills. Having someone by your side as a support who can sponsor you, to introduce you to groups, sharing opportunities. I think in our group, we do a great job supporting each other and finding people who can support the other people. SIR helped me to find new connections, get to know amazing people, women in interventional radiology. I didn't know a lot of women in interventional radiology until I get more involved. So seeing them doing great things inspired me. I built a network. I am inspired every day, and I know that I'm working towards something bigger.